Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have the hub, cables, and your Virgin account ready. Now act. Plug the coax or phone line into the hub, then the power. Wait for the white light to pulse steady. While it boots, flip the hub sticker and note the SSID and Wi-Fi key. This is your temporary login. Once the light shows stable, use your phone or laptop Wi-Fi menu to select the SSID. Make sure to enter the key exactly, matching capital letters and numbers. Once connected to the hub's temporary network, open a browser and go to 192, 168, 0, 1 or launch the My Virgin Media app. Sign in with your account credentials. Change the SSID to something memorable but not personally identifiable and create a strong password. Aim for 12 or more characters, mixing letters and numbers. Also enable WPA2 or WPA3 encryption for secure traffic, and optionally set up a guest network to isolate visitors. These steps lock down access and improve long-term reliability. Now reconnect every device to the new SSID and run a quick speed test in different rooms to confirm coverage. After changing settings, restart the hub to ensure they apply. Then check the admin page for firmware updates and install if available. If you see no internet, inspect coax and power cables and verify the hub LEDs match normal status, solid white for online. If problems persist, power cycle once more, then contact Virgin support. Have your account and hub MAC ready to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.